The politics we witnessed in the by-election, the politics we saw in the by-election should be condemned with all the voices. Kwa sababu, violence cannot become part and parcel of our election process. The minister in charge of internal security cannot be the one to announce about who lives or who doesn't live a polling station. Hiyo ni kazi ya mtu ambaye anaitwa chairman wa electoral commission. And there's something we lost partly with the BBI. We had done a clause in the Election Offences Act which was going to bar any politician who instigated violence. We had put it in the election offences. It's not too late to bar politicians. What Professor Kibwana is saying will not happen until a politician is barred from contesting an election.